St. Paul's Catholic Church, Pujontown at 11 a.m. Burial at the St. Paul's Catholic Church Cemetery, Old Town, Pujontown. Sympathizers may call at 28 Canal Street, Sambala Compound, Pujontown, or Villa number 2 OAU Village Hill Station, or call on Patrick Kaikai 076 601 722, ED Samba 076 368 103, or Josephine Samba 076 766 106. The death is announced of John Nelson M. McBeatty of Johnny Paul Drive, Juba Hill, which took place on Sunday, the 21st September, age 35. He is survived by his close friend Asanato, son Mada Henry McBeatty, sisters Mrs. Lucinda Alpha in the UK, Mrs. Veronica Obre, and Mrs. Linda Cosse in the USA, brother Henry Mada McBeatty and Reverend Peter Joseph McBeatty, several cousins, aunts, uncles, other relatives and friends. Funeral service will take place at the Fleming Bible Church, Cold Town, Waterloo on Tuesday, the 7th October at 2 p.m. Burial at the Kamkele Cemetery, Cold Town. Sympathizers may call on 076 361108 or 077 29 3030. The family announces the passing of their dear mother, sister, aunt, grandmother, Madam Judith Vincent of number 3 Main Road, Congo Town, which took place on Friday the 26th September. Funeral arrangement will be announced later. Sympathizers may call on 076 151133. The death is announced of Mrs. Justina Kona Davis, former head teacher of St. Anthony's Infant, which occurred on the 25th of September at her residence, Ballard Street off Sykes Street, Brookfields, Freetown. Funeral arrangement would be announced later. Sympathizers may call on 088 841 049. With gratitude to God for a life well spent, the family at home and abroad announces the death of Mrs. Marie Williams of 2 Dundas Street, which took place on Monday, the 29th of September, aged 86. Funeral arrangements will be announced later. Sympathizers may call at 2 Dundas Street.
With gratitude to God for life well spent, the Board of Directors, Management and Staff of Union Trust Bank Limited announced the death of their founder and CEO, Dr. James Sanfa Kuruma, which took place on Sunday, the 28th of September. Funeral arrangements will be announced later. May his soul rest in perfect peace.
Blessed assurance, Jesus is mine.
The death is reported of Mrs. Alicia Lovetta Koma, which took place on Sunday, the 28th of September. She is survived by her husband, Mr. Tijan Koma, mother, Victoria Addin in England. Funeral arrangement to be announced later. Sympathizers may call at Leopard Hill Phonema Godrich or call on mobile number 075 479 769.
We don't run away. We come for better. We people that want for see what we they do. We people that want for know what we they say. Oh, we let we swallow. We don't run away. We come for better. We people that want for see what we they do. We people that want for know what we they say. Oh, we let we swallow.
In every city, every town, every village, a student dreams of success. A parent hopes. A teacher prepares. This is not just another program. This is the key to unlocking potential. Welcome to Learning R, an inspiring journey through English language and mathematics, designed for WAS candidates across Sierra Leone. Join us on the Sierra Leone Broadcasting Corporation television. Expert teaching. Focused lessons, real preparation. No distractions, no excuses, just learning. Because when we learn, we grow. When we grow, we rise. Learning Hour. Powering your future.
Do you know the TV show that brings to you the decision makers who determine and shape the country's policies and programs? Bottom Line is the show to watch.
Well, join Asmi Uba as it brings to the table movers and shakers of society and policymakers whose decisions have direct impact on your lives.
Bottom Line comes up every Thursday at 7 p.m. on SLBC TV, Channel 31, with Asmi Uba.
Bottom Line on SLBC TV, the program you can't afford to miss on SLBC TV, Channel 31. Join me now.
The show that touches every aspect of society as we leave no stone unturned.
It's Bottom Line, only on SLBC TV.
We are the national broadcaster, and I am Sulaiman Baba Toure, a reporter and presenter at the SLBC. Your voice, my voice.
From the commercial department, I am Regina Bangura. You are watching SLBC. Your voice, my voice.
I am Jonathan Turner, a reporter for Sierra Leone Broadcasting Corporation, SLBC. As a reporter, I do stories on education, health, politics, and more. Stay glued with SLBC to watch my stories. Your voice, my voice.
Lucian Ganda, producer Wayus, and producer and presenter Christian Editions on TV. This is the SLBC.
I am William Wise, presenter Wayus and also reporter at the SLBC, and this is the SLBC.
I am Salma Tabak, television executive producer. I produce programs on both radio and television. I'm a news anchor, a presenter, an announcer on radio. I enjoy what I do because I serve a public service broadcaster. It's a pleasure to work with the SLBC.
I am Tilly Koma, Head of News and Current Affairs Unit, Sierra Leone Broadcasting Corporation. Our news hour now covers several segments. We have entertainment, business, weather, sports, ferry schedule, and human interest stories, not forgetting politics. We are doing all that to keep you people posted on what's happening all over the country. Thanks for being with us at SLBC. Keep blue. We are the best.
Eh, 5 good years. This celebration go be grand. Fumble them. Dofa don 5 years old. And because of that, then glady get for be big and boku. And to no say, Dofa can make them granny them beauty contest where they can call Miss Old is Gold. Miss Old is Gold Volume 5. Go be na City Hall, Wallace Johnson Street. Saturday, October 11, 2025. And it go begin 4:30 sharp. Come support you, your favorite granny. I say, ticket price now 100 leon ordinary. Patron 300 leon. Don VIP now 1000 leon. The Wantoni organization for the aged, DOFA for short. While all man no say, old age not to sickness. So now that's make you for camp and this Miss Old is Gold Volume 5 and support you, young granny of the year. DOFA, the Wantoni organization for the aged.
no run away. We come for better. We people they want for see what we they do. We people they want